Welcome to YouTube. Here's how it all works. Discover, upload, manage your channel and connect with your audience. Peace be upon you everyone. I hope you're doing amazing. So you're a content creator, right? I had a feeling. Let's be honest, our views haven't exactly been throwing a party lately. Mine too. Looks like we're all on the same roller coaster, except nobody remembers buying a ticket. That's why in this video I'll reveal the 3 biggest mistakes that quietly kill YouTube channels and how every upload can become your next breakthrough. Imagine this. One channel has 100,000 subscribers but gets only 1,000 views. Another has just 50 subscribers but gets 100,000 views. Who really won? Years ago, more subscribers usually meant more views. Today, not anymore. Open YouTube Studio Analytics audience and check where your watch time comes from. You'll probably find that most of it comes from people who aren't subscribed. Why? Because YouTube isn't a subscriber platform anymore. It's a recommendation platform. The algorithm doesn't ask who's subscribed. It asks who is most likely to enjoy this video right now. If your video answers that question, YouTube can recommend it to thousands or even millions, even if your channel is brand new. I've seen channels with fewer than 100 subscribers get over 100,000 views from a single video. No magic, just the right video reaching the right audience. So stop saying, "The algorithm hates me. Small channels don't grow. My niche is dead." The algorithm isn't your enemy. Your audience is your judge. If people click watch and stay, YouTube rewards your video. Mistake 1: quitting too soon. YouTube isn't a lottery. It's a marathon. Maybe your first 20, 50 or even 100 videos won't perform. That's normal. One great video can change everything. Don't just upload more. Upload better. Learn from every video and keep improving. Mistake 2: making selfish content. Ask yourself, did I make this video because viewers need it or because I just wanted to upload? People come to YouTube to learn, laugh, solve problems, or be entertained. Before publishing, ask, what value will viewers get from this video? If you can't answer that, neither can your audience. Mistake 3: asking before giving. We've all seen it. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications before the video even starts. Slow down. Hook viewers first, deliver value, then ask them to subscribe. That's how a great call to action works. Finally, don't fear failure. Every successful creator has videos nobody watched. The difference? They kept going. Study your analytics. Improve your click-through rate, watch time, and audience retention. Repeat what works. Stay consistent. Uploading once this week and disappearing for a month isn't consistency. Nobody knows which video will change your channel. Maybe your next one, maybe your 50th, but it will never be the one you never upload. And one last thing, we're living in the age of AI. Use AI to work smarter, but never let it replace your personality, creativity, or authenticity. The creators who succeed will combine AI with genuine human connection. So stop waiting for the perfect camera or the perfect moment. Start today. Because one video can change your future. The real question isn't when that video will come. It's whether you'll still be uploading when it does. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace be upon you.